Hi everyone, in this video I will walk you through everything you need to know if you are choosing between the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro and the Garmin Venu X1. So we will talk about price, design, battery life, features, and how each one feels during daily use. So whether you are a hardcore adventurer or someone who wants the sleek fitness watch, this comparison will help you pick what fits your lifestyle in the best. So first of all, we have the price. So right off the bat, the Fenix 8 Pro sits at the top of the Garmin's lineup. The AMOLED version starts around $1,200 for the 47mm, and the 51mm bumps it is about $1,300. So if you go for the fancy micro-LED model, you are looking at the whopping $2,000, making it Garmin's most expensive watch to date. On the other hand, the Venu X1 is a bit easier on the wallet. Listed around $800, so it's a premium GPS smartwatch without the eye-watering price tag. So what about design and the display? The Venu X1 feels ultra-light and super comfortable, just under 8mm thick and about 40 to 41 grams. Its big edge-to-edge AMOLED screen is beautiful, bright and vibrant, so perfect for workout maps and daily use. The Fenix 8 Pro is much chunkier and rugged, meant for the serious outdoor adventurers. So you got two display options, the traditional bright AMOLED the Garmin is known for, and the eye-popping new micro-LED, which peaks around 45,000 nits, probably the brightest smartwatch screen ever. But it also makes the watch even thicker as well. So what about battery life? Battery is where the gap really shows. The Venu X1 gives you about a week of a use normally, but if you keep the always-on display active, it drops to just 2 or 3 days. The Fenix 8 Pro True lasts the way longer. The AMOLED model gives you up to 27 days in smartwatch mode, and even the always-on activated, you are looking at about 15 days. The micro-LED version is brighter, but sacrificed runtime, down to around 10 days normally and only 4 days with always on. Still that miles ahead of most watches. So what about connectivity and safety? One of the big leaps with the Fenix 8 Pro is that it now has LTE and a satellite messaging built in. That means you can send messages, share your locations, get weather updates, or triggers and SOS without needing your phone. Pretty amazing for remote adventurers. The Venu X1 does not have any of that. It works great with paired with your phone, but no standalone connectivity here. So what about fitness and the daily use? For everyday fitness tracking, heart rate workouts, sleep maps, and steps, the Venu X1 does everything well and looks sleek doing it. It's especially comfy for sleep and a casual wear. The Fenix 8 Pro is the Garmin's full-featured powerhouse, multi-band GPS, topographic mapping, advanced training stats, recovery insights, and built-in flashlight. It's definitely made for people who live for the long hikes, ultra running, or expeditions. So here's the bottom line. If you want the lightweight, stylish smartwatch that looks great and handles your workout smoothly, the Garmin Venu X1 makes a lot of sense. But if you need a rugged, go anywhere, do anything tool with blazing brightness, long battery life, and LTE satellite safety, then the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is one to go for if price does not scare you off. So thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button if this helped, subscribe for more reviews made easy, and let me know in the comments which one you would pick.